On the inside, all new 2021 Mercedes E-Class versions are graced with a redesigned new steering wheel with revised touch-sensitive controls. A 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster is now standard also. The E53 has an AMG-specific steering wheel, and upholstery options are available across the lineup. Every 2021 E-Class gets Mercedes-Benz's latest MBUX infotainment system. That means the old command system with its rotary controller touchpad mounted on the center console is replaced with one large touchpad. MBUX can also be controlled through the 12.3-inch touchscreen buttons on the steering wheel, and voice command. The voice command can be activated by simply saying "Hey Mercedes." We found that the system will sometimes irritatingly interrupt our conversations where the word Mercedes is merely mentioned. Since we haven't tested the new software, which now also includes augmented video navigation, we can only hope those voice recognition bugs are fixed.
There's an E-Class for every taste and preference, and there's for sure the right Mercedes for every occasion. Following our strategy and our deepest conviction, we keep adding more electric and plug-in options to our portfolio.